Hello guys and welcome to AlgoGraph. Today we are solving the Leetcode problem number 35. Search insert position. First I will read the question and then I will discuss my approach with you. So I promise that this is very easiest question I have seen on Leetcode. So I will read the problem statement first. Given a sorted array of distinct integer and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted. In order, you must write an algorithm with log n runtime complexity. So if you see log n, so first you have to think about binary search. So yeah, the binary search will be applied on this question. So in this question, what we have to do is we have given nums is equals to 1, 3, 5, 6. We have given the target value 5. If the 5 is present in the nums array, we have to return an index where the 5 is presented in this array. So here target is equals to 5 and the 5 present in this array is at index 0, 2. So 1 is at 0 index, 3 is at 1 index and 5 is at 2 index. So we have to return its index. So index is 2. Then we'll jump into the another example. Here the target is 1. So in this nums array, the 1 is not presented. So if the 2 is presented over here, so where the 2 would be presented if it is presented in this nums array. So here nums don't have 2. So if nums have 2, where it would be presented in this nums array. So the 2 will be presented after 1 because this is a sorted array. So become 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So the 2 will be presented after 1 and before 3. So we'll return the index of where the 2 would be presented. So in 1 the 2 would be presented. Then we will see in another example. Nums array is given 1, 3, 5, 6. Here the target value is 7. So the 7 would be presented after 6. After 6 means here the value is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 7 will be presented on 4th index. So now I will discuss my approach with you, how to solve this question and what will be our approach. So let's go on whiteboard and see what we have to do. So for example, we have given the array 1, 3, 5 and 6. We have to apply a normal binary search on this. Then we have the given target value is equals to 2. This is our target value. So here 2 is not present in this array. So what we have to do is we have to return its index where if 2 would be presented in this nums array. So if 2 would be presented, where it would be presented after 1 and before 3. So the index of 2 will be 1 over here because 2 is at 1 position. So we have to return 1 over here. So how to see that, how to return its index or how you have to know about it. So we have to simply do a binary search code and we will get our answer. So first we will make a start pointer over here and an end pointer over here and place our mid pointer over here. So mid is equals to start plus end divided by 2. Mid is equals to start plus end divided by 2. So what we got is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 plus 3 is equal divided by 2 is equals to 1. So 3 will place our mid at third position. Here our mid is. Then we will see that is our mid equals to our target value. No, our target value is 2. So what we'll do is we will go on another condition that our mid is greater than our target value is not. If our mid is greater than our target value, then we will short our position and we will just do end means left means end is equals to mid minus 1. Then the end will be placed over here. End will be placed over here. So if we plus 0 divided by 2, then mid also will be placed over here. Then we will check that if our mid is equals to our target value. No, 1 is not equals to 2. So what we will do is we will go on to the another condition. So we'll check that if our mid is smaller than our target value. So yes, our mid is 1 and 1 is smaller than 2. Then we will just increase. Our start is equals to mid plus 1. So now our start goes over here and our end is here and mid is here. So the program will be break. And it will return the index of this start. So we have to just return our start at the last to find its index. Okay, so let's see how to code and okay, so let's see another example what we have to do. So if you can see that our nums given array is 1 3 5 6 and our target value is 7. Then here 7 is also not presented in the nums array. If 7 would be presented, what is its index? Of course its index is after 6, means 7 would be presented after 6. So its index is 0 1 2 3 4. Its index would be 4 and we will return its index. So we will return 4. So this answer would be 4. So first we will place our start pointer over here, our end pointer over here. Then we will calculate our mid. So mid is equals to 3. Then we will see that our target value is greater than our mid value. Yes, our target value is greater than our mid value. So what we will do is we will just put start is equals to mid plus 1. So start pointer will go over here. So now we'll make our start as new. So now start will go over here, end is here, and we have to find our mid value. So mid is equals to 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 2 is 4. So we'll place our mid at 4. Means here we'll place our mid. Then we'll check that if our mid is equals to our target value. No, it is not equals to our target value. 6 is not equals to 7. So what we'll do is we will just go on to the another condition that if our mid is smaller than our target value. So yes, it is smaller. Then what we will do is we will just put start is equals to mid plus 1. We will do start is equals to mid plus 1. So the start will go over here. There is no number, but the mid is here and the mid value is 0, 1, 2, 3. The mid value is 3 and start would be mid plus 1. So its start would be 4. Then the condition would be false, that end is greater is equals to start. So now start is greater than end. So we will break our while loop and we will just return our 4. So this is how we can find our answer. So now let's code and see. So first we will make our start is equals to 0. Then we will make our end at the last position of nums. Then we will run a while loop. We will put the condition that if end is greater equals to start. So what we will do is we will calculate a variable called mid start plus end divided by 2. So it will give us the middle value. Then we will see that if nums of mid means the middle value is equals to our target value. So if it is equal, then we will return mid means its index. Then we will do else if our target is, if nums of mid is smaller than our target value. If it is, then we will do start is equals to mid plus 1. If it is not, then we will do end. If it is not, then we will do end is equals to mid minus 1. And at the end we will just return start. So let's see and run the code. So what is going? Okay, we didn't put this over here. So yeah, it is accepting all our test cases and we'll submit our code. And let's see, yes, it is submitting all our test cases and our code is absolutely correct. So if you like the video, if I add any value to your life, to your coding journey, please do like, share, subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any query through the question related to question or anything else.